Welcome to day 1 of our Junk Journal July challenge for 2026. Welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet, and welcome to day 1 and the prompt of analog. Let's grab our junk journals and our junk and bits and bobs, and let's dive into our first of many daily creative sessions for this July. I'm really excited to start this challenge, and I'm so happy to hear all your lovely feedback and to hear that you are as excited as I am. If you want to get yourself this printable with the prompt list for this Junk Journal July challenge and the different bits and bobs of ephemera, there's a free printable link to a Google Drive to download it in the description down below. You can find there an English and a German version. I hope that helps, and I hope you join me on this fun creative adventure. Here's a little flip through of the junk journal I made. You can also find a link to the full DIY process of how I created this brand new fresh junk journal for the challenge. I'm really happy how this one turned out, and I'm really excited to get started. I decided to start with the inside cover page in a way and include there the prompt list for this monthly creative session to have a place to flip back to while completing this monthly daily creative fun, and just have a reference point for the daily prompts in a way. How are you guys doing? How is your first Junk Journal July turning out? Are you taking part in the challenge in real time, or are you keeping it spared for another day? It's completely fine. It's completely up to you. You can also just keep the prompt list and do it any other day, or you can just do it as a, weekly prompt or whatever. The prompts are just ideas and something to spark our creativity. For this summer, I decided to try to focus on going more analog and spending more time off screens, so that's why I wanted to include the prompt of analog here in the challenge as the start, and I really want to get back into analog photography this summer as well, so I'm really excited for this one, and I decided to start with a bit of an analog summer to-do list or to-be list, or just kind of the good old school bucket list. So just collecting a few ideas of what I wanted to do this summer instead of looking at screens. So I really want to go to more coffee shops and draw, fill up my sketchbook, spend time in my junk journal and my art journals and sketchbooks, or just some general journals. I really want to get back into journaling. I did that as a child and as a teenager quite a while back, and then I completely drifted from written words in a way to just visual expression, and I feel like it might be interesting to go back to written words a bit. So we will see if I can include that into my routine. And I also want to take a lot of pictures with my analog camera, and those pictures are, even though they look quite analog, I did them with my new digital camera that has a bunch of the Fujifilm, that has a bunch of analog kind of looking features, just because the prices of film are so crazy nowadays, and you also have to pay the fee of getting it developed, and it's such an expensive hobby nowadays, so that I really wanted to give myself the option to do something kind of similar, but without always worrying about the price. I really try to focus myself to not take 1,000 pictures of the same thing with the digital camera as well. So not like we used to with our phones, but to just not be so worried about each frame as I am in my analog film photography nowadays, that it is so crazy expensive and you only have 36 shots. I don't know. But I really want to also get back into real film photography. I did stock up on a few roller films, and I really want to capture summer and life and my analog adventures with that. But for now, I just decided to include the pictures of recently that are kind of kicking off this summer, and I just hope they bring me into a good mood and bring out the right vibes to motivate me to get into more analog things this summer. What are you thinking about the analog trend going around on social media now recently? I think it's kind of funny that we are all kind of, but I'm included in this kind of weird thing that I also do videos about going analog. So we kind of feed the digital space with our analog journey. I don't know. It's kind of a predictory, I don't know. But yeah, I think it's fine. If it gets us off of our screens in the long run, it's completely fine. And I feel like also it gets so much more important again to have a kind of physical, real archive of your just life. And I really want to also get a bunch of reading done this summer and get more into books again and kind of build myself an artist curriculum. Maybe I will make something about that very soon. Just haven't figured the full summer thing out, but those are just some ideas of what I'm planning to do this summer to get myself off of those pesky little screens. So I hope you enjoy the pesky little screen time creative session and me yapping while you hopefully create as well. Anyways, and I hope you enjoy this first start off of our daily creative fun for July. I'm really excited to get into daily creations, and I think that's also a good practice to get myself off of the phone. But as well as you hopefully have me running in the background while you create, I also have something running in the background. But I feel like, I don't know, it's kind of fine, and I just want to loosen up the time that I'm not creating something alongside it, that I really get myself to do more analog things and not just always have the screen running spreads. I don't know, maybe get into listening to just music or an audiobook or something on the side. I will keep you posted what will keep me company while I create my daily junk journal July. I hope you enjoyed this first creative session, even though it was a bit rambly. I'm really happy with how this spread turned out. If you enjoyed watching, hit the thumbs up button. That would make me really happy. And if you want to follow along on this creative daily updates and some daily creative time and creative company, hit the subscribe button to join me on this creative daily adventure. Until then, happy creating.